I have seen many beginner illustrators create great digital art, but they often struggle when it comes to drawing from scratch. Sketching character doesn't need to be hard or stressful. Your drawings can look more lively, expressive, and fun without taking a lot of time. No matter if you are just starting or have been drawing for years, these 5 easy tips will make you improve fast. In this video, I'll share some simple tricks that will help you draw anything more easily and confidently. So let's get this started. Trick 1. Think in shapes, not lines. Start your characters using basic geometric forms, for example, circles, ovals, rectangles, triangles. This helps you quickly block in the body and understand the proportion before going into details. You can exaggerate the shapes to create stylized or funny characters. We will talk more about it in the next video. I'll share how you can play with shapes to make your characters look unique and stand out. Tip 2. Use flow lines or the line of action before drawing the pose. This is a single sweeping curve that defines how the whole body moves. It gives your character rhythm and makes your poses feel fluid and lively before you even draw the limbs. So my suggestion for you, use curves, not stiff straight lines. Start with the vibe, not the anatomy. Tip 3 is something that changed my sketching forever. Start messy. Use a rough or textured brush for your initial sketch. It takes away the pressure of being perfect, lets you explore freely, and focuses on capturing energy instead of details. So start loose first, then tight later. Your first sketch is just a thought, not the final line. This tip will help you stop worrying about making the perfect drawing. Many artists use this method. It's especially useful when a creative idea suddenly pops into our mind and you want to get it down on paper quickly. Just scribble it out like this. Tip number 4. When drawing faces, sketch the expression first, not the details. When you are sketching a character face, don't start with perfectly placing the eyes, nose, or mouth. Instead, focus first on the emotion or expression you want the character to show, like anger, happiness, surprise, or sadness. That means you should roughly block out, even if it's well drawn. By sketching the emotion first, you are setting the tone and flow on the face. Then, when you add the final details like eyelids, nose, lips, etc., everything fits into that emotion more naturally. Expressions are all about energy and feeling. If you start with technical details like placing eyes perfectly, your face might look stiff or emotionless. By starting with the expression shapes, your drawing instantly feels alive and dramatic. Emotions guide the sketch. And finally, tip 5. Flip your canvas often. It's like looking at your drawing with fresh eyes. You will instantly notice awkward angles, weird proportions, and tilted heads you didn't catch before. So, when you are drawing digitally, like in Procreate or Illustrator, you can flip your canvas horizontally. So, basically, mirror your artwork so it's reversed. It's like turning your paper over and looking at it in mirror. So when we draw, our eyes get used to the same angles. After a while, our brain starts to fill in mistakes and we can't see them clearly anymore. But when you flip your canvas, you force your brain to see the drawing in a new way. It's like viewing it for the first time again. So you might suddenly notice one eye is higher than the other. The face is slightly tilted in a weird way. A hand or leg looks awkward. The pose feels off balance. Flipping your canvas helps you spot mistakes early, correct them fast, and make your character look more natural and appealing. It's a small habit that can massively improve your sketches. These 5 tricks have saved me time, energy, and frustrations, and I hope they help you too. Which one was your favorite? Or do you already use one of these in your process? Drop a comment below, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more illustration tips and sketching goodness. Now go sketch something awesome. Thanks for watching.